using Snap&Read with a PDF. First thing we're going to do is locate the Snap&Read extension. Then we're going to find the PDF reader. It will take a moment to load. You will have some choices where to open the PDF from: Google Drive, OneDrive, QR code, or My Device. This time I'm going to select My Device. I'm going to locate my PDF in my list and click Open. My PDF will load. Unfortunately, this time Snap&Read did not load on the right-hand side, so I'm going to have to click Reload from the extension bar at the top. I'm once again given the same menus as to where to open my PDF from, and I'm going to select My Device. I'm going to once again find my PDF and click Open. Snap&Read still did not appear. However, when I go up to the Snap&Read extension, I can toggle it on. This time I'm going to choose a speaker and have it read the text to me.
The relatively large natural bodies that revolve in orbits around the Sun or other stars are called planets.
I'm going to use my OCR tool to select some of the text to have it read. As you will notice, it will take a moment for the text to convert so it is read to the student.
Venus, 7.500 me 12,10 I 0 km.
This PDF also has some text that is slanted. This will not be able to be read by either the speaker or the OCR tool. Thank you.